Hey guys, so now that we set up our program, we're going to be setting up our campaign and connecting it to our Shopify. So this one may be just a little bit longer video, but there's a little bit more to explain. That way you get the campaign right and you can make multiple campaigns that are going to be available for affiliates to sell. So to get here, you're going to be on the sidebar and you're going to go straight to Vendor Market Tools. And then we're going to click on campaigns right here, which brings us to this page. So for this example, we're going to use banner campaigns, which are really easy to set up, pretty easy indeed to set up. And we're going to start right from the top. The tool type is going to be what type are you going to be using. So if you want a sale integration for those online stores and you're tracking the thank you page and things of that nature, that's what you're going to do here. Single action is going to be like a sign up. So, or if you have real estate agents or if you have people that are gathering leads, then you can have that as well and only pay for when the person signs up for you to call them or get in touch with them to reach out for what you're offering. Multiple is going to be like landing pages or funnels, things of that nature where they do multiple actions and you can get paid multiple times if a person signs up and keep it going. Click integration is just what it sounds like, just clicks, and that's it. So we're going to be using sales for this example. And next, you're going to be choosing what kind of platform is it going to be on. So as you can see, we connect to a lot of different platforms when it comes to the sales side. So if you have like a GoDaddy store or WordPress store or something like that, you can use the custom order integration here, which is just going to go to the landing page as well, but it's not going to be tailored like the Shopify or WooCommerce or BigCommerce, that type thing. So we're going to use Shopify since we do already have a Shopify store open here. Always running is what I pretty much leave the tool period on because you want this to keep running all the time and be available all the time for your affiliates. So the name is, this is going to be Shopify example. And the target link, so this is going to go straight to the product. So what you want to try to do is if you're setting multiple campaigns up, you want to set them up for the single product, not for the whole store. So that way you can track how many times it's been viewed, it's been clicked, and how many sales you have. So for this, I'm going to be going to a specific page or a specific product. So we're going to do that in this example. Terms is going to be something that you set. Like if you have terms for your online store, you can put those terms here. So let's move on down. Category, you don't have to worry about unless you really want to, but it doesn't have to have a category. So before we move, I don't want to miss this because once you choose the online store or the integration type, then it's going to have you choose your program. So the program is what we set up just a little bit earlier, where we are going to be able to choose if we want to give them 10%, we want to give them 5%. And this one I did not finish setting up. So we're going to choose 10% for this one. And we're going to go on down to our images. Now your images have to be this. This is what you want to have for your images simply because for social media sharing, it's going to show up properly. It's going to look nice. So you want to have that as the base for your picture. So let's go ahead and choose this one. And we are going to choose it again for the banner. So this is going to be the image. This is going to be for the banner itself. And you can choose multiple banners. So just, be aware if it clicks out on your banner, then just go back in and upload it because sometimes it does kick out the banners once you add another one. So it doesn't take very long, just a few clicks. And if you're wondering how to get your banners to this size, I use this website here, Image Resizer, and you just upload the image and it'll resize it to any size that you want to, and it even saves it in PG, JPG, and things like that. So you'll be able to just resize it and save it to the appropriate ways of whatever website. And so now we're going to go back And you can just look that up. It's free to use. Now we're going to go back, and this is going to be for affiliates. So if you want all affiliates to use this, that come on the website, that join the website, they can right away start promoting your product. Then use this. That's what I will leave it as, to get maximum sales and maximum affiliates. But if you have certain affiliates that you're offering this to, maybe your best affiliates, or maybe, certain sign up affiliates, hey, join my affiliate store, promote my products, and I'll give you a special product to promote that brings in more money. You can do that. And you can also make the program, like we saw earlier, to do that for them. So, and for this example, I'm just going to do this, and you want to make it public. So that way, it's ready. It's not in drafts. It's not in the back office, just sitting there. It's ready to be published and approved. So we're going to save this. Make sure we didn't leave anything out. All right. So now it's going to show up here, just like these. So you see that it's going to be a Shopify integration, and the campaign name is going to show up there. So it is approved and it is ready to go. Now what you want to do is come over here, and you want to get the integration code, which is going to be here. So all of these do different things, of course. Like this is your MLM, multi-level marketing for this. So what that is, that means it's going to give you the ability to set up, and you can do this in the back campaign. I'll show you that in another video, in the next video, but it's going to give you multi-level marketing for this. So that means if one affiliate invites another affiliate to promote this product, that first affiliate is going to get some of the second affiliate's earnings, and it goes all the way down to whatever level you want to set. So we're going to just get this integration code, and it tells you pretty much, you just got to follow the steps. Go log into your Shopify account, and you're going to go to online store, themes, current themes, actions, edit settings, and you are going to put this code in there. So this is going to just show you exactly where to go to, how to do it. If you're using Online Store 2.2 main product, and it's going to show you how to add it to the liquid and things of that nature. So I'm going to see if this is going to give me a little bit easier way to add this code. So let's see. We're going to go here, and we're going to copy this. Now, my Shopify store, I saw something a little bit different, and I saw where I went to settings and checkout, and then you're going to scroll down, and I just want to see if this is going to be part of that where it works for you. But you're going to go to the order page where you can add tracking scripts and other things, and this is exactly where we're adding a tracking script. So let's paste this in there, and we're going to save this. Alrighty. All right, and now we're going to go back and close this up. So with this, now you're going to be able to track exactly how, or if you want to do it the other way, which is for the people that know how to do it, because some people don't know how to use the liquid header and things like that. And so it just depends. If it allows you to do it that way, then great. If it doesn't, then give us a shout out. We'll be able to help you with that. So that is what I'm going to do. But let's go to settings by left click, order process, additional script. Okay, so here is number 3 is going to be the option for that. So let's take this. We're going to copy this entire code, not the one before. It's going to be the third option, which is going to be the easy option, it seems like. You're going to go back here, stroll all the way down, and you're going to stop right there, take this out, put this in, and save. And there you go. So that's how easy it is to actually go ahead and get your integrations going for your store. Now, you're going to be able to actually verify this, and it's going to track your online order page. So whenever it hits that thank you page, or as you can see, whenever somebody buys something, it is going to follow that for you and clock it as a sale. So now let's close this, And that is going to be the how you set up the campaign. So you can do as many campaigns or different type of campaigns as you want, as you see. And for this, I'm going to go to the next one and I'm going to edit this same campaign, and I'm going to show you how to set up the multi-level and the other options, the other 4 options that was there. So